Microsoft wants to estimate the percentage of the population that regularly uses Bing to perform their internet searches. A random sample of 640 people revealed that 25 of them regularly use Bing. Construct a 99% confidence interval for the true population proportion of regular Bing users. Well, here this is again a confidence interval, but this time we're not doing a confidence interval for the mean. We're doing a confidence interval for a percentage, or a proportion is another way of thinking of that. Now, the nice thing about the proportions is that it's always using the normal distribution. So we don't have to choose between normal and t-interval. If we know it's a proportion, we just go straight to 1 prop z interval. And here we need to input our data. We have, let me do n first. N is the sample size, so that's 640. X is the number, in this case, the number of Bing users out of that sample. So 25 out of the 640. So it's the number of people or sample items that favor your event is one way of stating that. Confidence level is 99%, and the calculator will take care of all the formulas and whatnot and give us the results here. Now remember, these are percentages as answers, and we've been using the rule for rounding decimal percentages probabilities off to 4 decimals, because there's no real inference that we could use from over here, because we're not really given, the percent out of the sample, rounded off to a specific number of decimal places. So we just use 4. If you're ever in question about a percentage, just use 4 decimals. Okay, so that would mean basically 0.0193 or 1.93%, and 0.0588, which is 5.88%. So that'll look like this. So we are 99% certain that the population proportion of people who use Bing regularly is between 1.93% of the population and 5.88% of the population.